or issues
concern that need to be tackled. Wouldn't it be nice if brainstorming to identify desirable outcomes and obstacles to be overcome? Hotspots. Ikaw na ba nagkuhan? Dagan kayo ko. Ah, dagan kayo. Samok ba samok?
solutions to the problem. Then, sa divergent techniques is only ngayon na instead of wala ka nga ulit be nice, so dapat mo magnauna ko ka nga kana ulit be awful or kana well, imo siyang i-brainstorm before ka mag-conclude. Then sa divergent techniques is only siya ang direct to the point. Dili na ka makita ka o lain na dili na ka mag-create sa kanang imong solution kay diba naman ka makana na solution is concrete. Next is the data finding. So gather information about the problem. So in divergent techniques, so we could use the 5 W such as who, why, what, when, where, or how, and how. So sa divergent kay dili sa paggamit ko na dili ka mag-stick sa one solution. So dapat you would consider the questions who, why, what, when, where, and how. So next is the convergence technique. So it includes to identify hotspot, mind mapping, sort, and classify the information gathered, and also respecting the problem. So as you can see sa picture nyo, sa divergent thinking is dagan makapasikat na i-consider. Then sa convergent is the logical, analytical of solution. So, muna sa logical kanang sigo jud siya niya kanang analytical o solution reduce. So meaning dili na ka makita og laing solution pa. Next is the stage 3, which is problem finding. So convert the passive statement of the problem in the board statement more suitable for idea finding. So everyone can read problem finding.
Convert a passive statement of the problem
Problem in the broad statement more suitable for idea finding.
The verbal technique
Includes asking why, etc.
questions and 5 Ws on each.
Convergent techniques include highlighting again reformulation of problem statements to meet the criteria that they contain only one problem, a new criteria, and selection of the most promising statement. But mental switching that the activity gives to participants can be as important as the actual statement chosen. So as you can see in problem finding, so meaning sa pagkulitan mo sa as a divergent techniques is mo to know mag-use ta of 5W and H questions to answer the problem. Then sa convergent techniques is you would find a great or appropriate criteria in solving is dili ka mag-stick sa usa ka idea. Explore ka. Explore ka to gain the desirable, appropriate solutions. Then next is the convergence. So, what is the kita mo ka ay you will create a mind mapping. So as you can see the picture there. So kanang ito the blue tao is wala siya create barrier sa idea. Then siya ang barrier sa idea muna siya yung interconnect sa idea sa iyang fellow peers. So next is the solution finding. So everyone can read.
Solution finding. Generate and select obvious evaluation criteria using expansion, construction cycle, and develop, which may include combining listed ideas from as much as you can analyze this criteria. This for
First, you need to identify the problem first so that you can create a solution. The next is establish decision criteria. So you need to decide which statement or which solution is appropriate and measurable. Next is weigh decision criteria. So you need to timbang-timbangan nimo ang idea if it is appropriate or not. The next is generate alternatives. So kung pamila nimo ang imong solution is not appropriate, so you need to explore more.
Ano?
Yeah, evaluate
17 o 18?
So,
Naku.
you need to evaluate your ideas. Then select best alternatives. Aning na time is naka-decide na ka nga mo na siya ang solution sa one problem. Next is the acceptance finding. So how can the suggestion of in this part, so
Again. Dun, 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 dun.
So, in this part, so, first is sa acceptance stage. So, now siya stages. So, like, ang first stage, naya. So, on the word deny, so meaning, dili pa pag-conclude na muna siya answer. Then, sa answer, then sa impression. So during the time is imo siyang i-evaluate ang kanang solution if kanang sakto ba siya na i-apply or dili. So here are the other model of problem solving. Bradsford idea model. So first, identify the problem.